Annoyed by the dreaded "something went wrong" or Microsoft Store failed to initialize error on Windows 11? Don't panic, we will show you how to fix it fast. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's guide, we will show you step by step through resolving the Microsoft Store initialization errors in Windows 11. Let's dive in. Method 1. Clear Store Cache. When Microsoft Store failed to initialize in Windows 11, you can clear Store Cache. Here is how to do so. Press Windows key, type this, then press Enter. You will see command prompt screen flashing. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Method 2. Repair or reset Microsoft Store. Next, you can repair or reset Microsoft Store. To do so, press Windows key, type Microsoft, right-click on it, then select App Settings. Click Terminate, then click on Repair under Reset. If still broken, then click on Reset. Method 3. Check Date, Time, Time Zone. Right-click Date and Time from bottom right of the taskbar. Click Adjust Date and Time. Turn on. Set Time automatically. Set Time Zone automatically. Next, click on Sync Now. Method 4. Re-register Microsoft Store. Right-click on the Windows Start menu, then select Terminal. Copy and paste this command and run it. Method 5. Sign out and sign in again. Account sync issues can prevent downloads or app installations. So sign out and sign in to Microsoft Store again to check if that works. To do that, open Microsoft Store, then click on your profile icon, then select Sign Out. Once you are signed out, sign in again and check. Method 6. Start required services. Microsoft Store depends on background services that must be running correctly. Here is what you need to do. Press Windows plus R keys to launch Run Utility. Type this in the Run command box and press the Enter key. Press Enter. Search for Windows Update Service. Double-click on it, then set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. Click Start, then OK. Right-click on the services, then select Restart. Repeat the same for these services. Microsoft Store Install Service, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Method 7. Repair Windows system files. Corrupted system files can block store functionality and must be repaired. Here is how to do it. Type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Run the following command in the command prompt window. Once the scan completes, run this command. Once done, restart your PC. Method 8. Enable TLS. Microsoft Store uses TLS or Transport Layer Security to create a secure encrypted connection with Microsoft servers. If TLS protocols are disabled or misconfigured, the store cannot verify or transfer data properly, causing connection and download errors. Here is what to do. Press Windows plus R, then type this in the Run command box and press Enter. Open Advanced tab, check All, use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. Click Apply, then OK. Method 9. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. If the previous methods didn't work, then reinstall Store. Uninstalling Microsoft Store removes the existing Store app from your system, including any corrupted or damaged files that may be causing errors. Reinstalling it registers a fresh copy of Microsoft Store with Windows, restoring all required components so the app can function normally again. Run these commands in the Windows terminal. This will uninstall the pack. To reinstall the pack, run this command. Method 10. Fix gaming services. Gaming services errors can block game downloads from Microsoft Store. So reinstall the gaming services and check if that helps. To uninstall gaming services, open PowerShell with administrative privileges or open Terminal. Then run this command. Once done, reinstall gaming services by running this command. And that's it. You now know how to fix the "something went wrong" and Microsoft Store failed to initialize errors in Windows 11. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech solutions. Share your experience in the comments. Your tips might help others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.